welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing here. This is the Spring Embellishment Binder Swap, and I think I know who it's from, but I want to look inside for a card before I say it. This tissue paper is beautiful, by the way. I'm definitely going to have to save that. Can't wait. I'm hoping this is from who I think it is, because I've never swapped with her before. Oh wow, look at this. Is that like Easter grass? That's so cute. Look at all these little fun balls and these tiny little hearts. Look at those, are hearts, styrofoam hearts. Gorgeous. All right, let me get everything out of the box. The colors are stunning. Okay, so we have that, and we've got so much shred. Okay, that came off of something. You guys, look at that. That's so pretty. I love these little balls in there. Okay. Just gonna see if there is a... It is. Okay, so I saw the name Kim and I just wanted to make sure. So this is from Kim, who is Crafty Kimchi. And Kim, I love your work. I am honored to have received this from you. I have been a longtime viewer of your channel, so thank you, thank you. And this, first off, is gorgeous. So we have this resin frame. I wonder if you made this or if you bought it. That's beautiful. There are these sequins floating around, and there is this like delicate little spider web gold mesh. Can you guys see that? That is so pretty. Okay, but look at this. It's my name. That's so cool. So cool. And she's got the hearts here in the gussets of each part of the binder, and it's a pink binder. This is so cool. Look at that. Okay, so it's Crafty Kimchi. There's her little name there, and that is what she is on YouTube and on Instagram. Oh my goodness. And then she sent along this little basket. This is so cute. Let's open this first. Okay, she put the tissue paper in there so the handles wouldn't get squished, and they did get a little squished, but that is a-okay. Oh my gosh, look at how she sewed around every single piece of paper that is lining this. Oh, you guys, can you see that? Her sewing machine makes this little leaf. Oh, what is it called? A little line of leaves. That's so cute. So cute. She's got this beautiful seam binding on here. Oh, that's where this came from. Okay. So I'm gonna hot glue this back on there. This was right there, and perfect is the word to describe this. This is amazing. So she's got this gold like mesh right here. She's got two little banners back there. She's got this gold glitter doily. She's got a pink paper doily. There are just so many layers here. And then this little crepe paper piece here. That's so cute. Oh. What does she have in here? This is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I love this box. Okay. Oh, we've got a sequin mix. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. Look at those pink flowers. Let's see if I can open this. I think does it turn or pop off? I'm afraid. Okay, hold on. Okay, it pops off, but I'm not going to pop it off right now. That is so pretty. Look at the flowers in there, the pink flowers. That's so pretty. Lilac Lane, Cherry Blossom. Oh, so cute. Okay, she must do resin. These are amazing resin pieces that she sent. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. So I recently bought some pieces to start making resin, but I'm so afraid to start. Look at how cool these are. You do such a fun finish on them. So they're almost like matte. They're not super glossy. That is so cool. These little old-fashioned telephones, and you can just embellish with flowers. I love that. I love the matte colors. Here's some more frames. Look at those. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh. When I start, I'm definitely going to have to reach out to you. Laura from Laura V Crafty also does awesome resin. So you guys are going to be my go-to people when I get up enough nerve to start. And here's little cameras that you can embellish also. Those are so cool, and they'll have a nice flat back so you can stick them onto things. Thank you so much for those little extras, Kim. I appreciate it. Love these little bags too. Okay, I'm gonna put those over there. Put these out. Okay, now we get to go into this gorgeous piece of work. So she has got these flowers on here. These are all Prima flowers. She's got beautiful lace pieces here. Look at just all the different details. The trim here. Oh, she's got more of the vine, the leafy vine here. That, oh no, it just goes up here. And then she's just got the rest stitched. So pretty. Look at these applique pieces. They're absolutely gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, she's got it tied with seam binding, and it is stuffed full. I love a chunky little binder. Love these. Oh my goodness. I can't find these anymore. I had bought some at Michael's a couple of years ago, and I wish I had bought more colors. Oh, I love the iridescent. Thank you so much for that. Oh, and look at this. How fun. This is an embellishment folder with ice cream cones, and then it's got a tiny little ice cream cone stamp. That is adorable. I cannot wait to try this. I've never done one of these before. So fun. So cool, Kim. Thank you so much for sending that. I absolutely love it. All right, you guys, look at this. Just this little cluster here is so cute. She really does a good job with layers. So she's got like her rosette here. Then she's got the that tulle from Dollar Tree that's got like the snowy look to it. And she went over around, what is this? Is this a sticker that you cut around? That is so cute. So she's got a little sticker here that she backed with paper from the collection. So cute. Oh, and it's a memory text. Adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this bow. That is so cool with the pearls on it. This is so cute. What is this die? I need this one. That is so fun. It's like a little burst. That is so cute. Beautiful ballerina. I love these colors. This mint and this peach are just gorgeous. Oh, that's so cute. And then she did it looks like acetate and tulle that she sewed to make it a shaker. Look at some of these little clay pieces in there. Can you guys see like that tiny little flower? That's so cute. Oh, I love it. Kim, thank you so much. Palm trees. That does make me happy. So she created an envelope here. Oh, this was a good idea. So she created an extra large envelope and then sewed along the bottom where she could punch it. That's a super cute idea. Oh, bag topper and a tag. Look at that. I have these tags. I just bought them, but I bought them for something else, and I think it's so cute. Look at, I'm like, seriously, I just bought these. That's so funny. Oh, and look at like the crepe paper. She just sewed up the middle with like a zigzag. This is puffed out. Oh, this is like she die cut crepe paper. Look at this flower. That's so cute. And then she stitched around this rosette. That's crazy. And then she popped up the veins in the leaf with some glitter. And then she put a little trim down the middle of the butterfly. So cute. And this bag topper is stunning. Love this. Oh, I love how you did the stars. This is a perfect trim to sew down the middle of. I love this matte glitter paper. So cute. Thank you so much, Kim. All right, then this is, oh, I love this. So pretty. Another little envelope. I like this envelope. Oh, these are fun. Look at, it's like a little pocket. How cute is that? Look at, you can just put a little tag in there. That is adorable. And it's made out of acetate. And then the bottom is a shaker. So cute. I've never seen that done before. And she did a little paper ruffle here, and she's got the tiniest little, I shouldn't say tiny, it's like the daintiest little trim back here. And then this pops up. There's like 1, 2, 3 layers of hearts. How cute is that? Such a simple idea, but it is just adds so much. Look at that. So cute. And then this one, oh, it's another pocket. I have to make some of these. That's super cute. And it's got that cherry blossom shaker mix in there. And then here she's got another little butterfly and a tassel. This is really cute just to add the piece of chain to it. That is very cute. I cannot wait to use those. So cute. All right. Oh, and then here she's got some embellies for me. These are little telephones. So you guys, can you see that? Look at, it's a little telephone die cut. And then it's got the tiniest little rosette and a little circle embellishment on it. She's got a little phrase sticker up here and then some diamond dots. Look at this one. So cute, rest and relaxation. I think this is, yep, and then this is a banner. Look how pretty that is. Look at this lily. Oh my gosh. It's like a peace lily. It's so pretty. She's got twine back here. Oh, I love how she put the little pom-poms on there. That's so cute. So, so cute. And she sewed the trim down here. This is neat trim. Peach and aqua. I love that. Very cute. Oh, and look at these little flags. Oh, so cute. Look at, she's got the hot air balloon. And again, she just embellished with the little, they're not diamond dots. They're like, they're bigger than that. So they're little gemmies. But look at this. She's got this tiny little trim here. Rosette and more gemmies and a little tassel off the top. I'm going to have to try and make some of these. These are so cute. So it's a double layered flag on each one. So cute. So, so cute. Love this paper. Here's some typewriters. She put a little piece of paper in each one. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys have to see these. So she embellished each little typewriter with flowers and this little trim here, these little gold pieces of trim. And then she's got little pieces of paper in each one. That's so cute. So cute, Kim. And then a big shaker pocket. Let's take this one out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking fun. And this, I'm dying over this. I need to make these. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest rainbow I have ever seen. I need this. Is this a die? Please tell me where you got this. I need to have it. And look how she did a different stitching through each one. That is so cute. And it's all stitched to this acetate paper that's got like holographic or glitter diamonds on it. That is so cool. Oh, and then she's got this little tab. That was a great idea because then you can just pull it out. So it goes in there, but you can just pull here so you're not wrecking anything. And then she's got some of, these are my favorite butterflies ever to embellish with. So thank you. And I used my last two actually in my last project. So awesome to have 8 more. I'm so excited about that. I love this pocket. Okay, what am I doing here? I don't want to wreck anything. Almost there. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I had something super similar to this and I just finished it up too. And now I have this. I'm so thankful for this, Kim. Look at, this is all flowers and leaves from Flourish. So you get vellum pieces, you get regular paper pieces. These leaves are gold, almost like a fabric. I love this so much. I might have to hoard this. That is so awesome. Kim, thank you so much. I can tell how much work you put into this, just with all the stitching, all the small little details. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate this. You guys, go follow Kim if you're not. I'm sure you all are. She is an OG here in the paper crafting community. So thank you again, Kim. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.